In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with the Super Agent interface on Genspark. First, navigate over to the Genspark website and log into your account. Now, once you're in, you'll want to find the Super Agent or just Agent mode. This is a special section that allows you to engage with the high-level agent designed to manage various sub-agents. It's like having a conductor for an orchestra, except instead of music, it's about efficiently handling complex tasks. Keep in mind, if your plan operates on a credit system, you should check your available credits ahead of time. Complex tasks tend to consume more resources, so having enough credits ensures that you can complete your projects without any interruptions. When you're ready to dive in, start by clearly defining what you want the super agent to accomplish. Think through the task at hand. For instance, you might say, create a 10-slide presentation on AI adoption in retail, or maybe generate a responsive landing page for a fintech startup using navy and teal as the main branding colors. Another example could be analyze last year's sales data and produce a visual report with key insights. The goal is to use clear and concise language, specifying exactly what you want, in what format, and any particular style or constraints that need to be considered, such as branding guidelines. Once you've crystallized your thoughts into a clear task, it's time to submit your prompt. In the Super Agent chat or interface, type in your task and provide all necessary context. This could include relevant assets like images, specific brand colors, or datasets. After inputting all of the required information, simply hit Run or Submit. What happens next is pretty fascinating. The agent will automatically break down your complex task into subtasks, directing each to a specialized sub-agent, such as a research agent, design agent, or coding agent, to tackle each part expertly. Now, give the system a moment to work its magic. As the super agent processes your request, you might see some updates about its progress, or perhaps a list of subtasks in action. The final output could be a variety of things: a website framework, a spreadsheet, a presentation deck, and so on, all tailored to your initial directive. The next step is to carefully review the deliverable you receive. Check the content's accuracy, the layout's design, any branding elements, and functionally relevant aspects of your output. If you notice any areas that require tweaking, don't hesitate to refine your original prompt or instruct the agent to make adjustments. For example, you could say, "Please change the hero image to," or "add a slide discussing the competitive landscape." It's often recommended to view the initial output as an 80% draft and then polish it further to suit your needs fully. And that's how you can get started with the Super Agent on Genspark. I hope this guide has been helpful and encourages you to explore the incredible possibilities with this AI-driven tool.